If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to change default notification sound on iPhone. If you are tired of the old default notification sound on your iPhone, there is a bunch of other sounds you can choose from. To do this, go to Settings. At Settings, go to Sound and Haptics. At Sound and Haptics, select Default Alerts. Now, you can check all sounds or select the one you like to set as your new default notification sound. Exit Settings. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.